Hello everyone, welcome to Kamna Ki Pathshala. In this video, I am discussing about the structure of chromosomes, cell cycle and cell division. We start from cell division. Cell division is one of the most fundamental characteristics of life. This is the method which enables life to perpetuate generation after generation. This is equally true in the case of the simplest organisms like amoeba as in the highly complex ones such as ourselves or the giant-sized elephants or the tall coconut tree. The most conspicuous events occurring during cell divisions are all related to chromosomes. The duplicate chromosomes get evenly distributed into the daughter cells during mitosis. Thus, all body cells that are the results of a long chain of repeated mitotic divisions have the same type of chromosomes in the same number. This ensures the normal functioning of the cells and through that the life of the organisms. For a better understanding of cell cycle and cell division, I am discussing the structure of chromosomes first. What are the chromosomes? When a normal, constant living cell is observed under a light microscope, its nucleus may not appear to contain any particular thing inside. But when the same cell is stained with suitable dyes, several structures become noticeable in the nucleus. The nucleus contains most of the cell's DNA, which is organized into discrete units called chromosomes. Each chromosome contains one long DNA molecule associated with many proteins. This complex of DNA and proteins is called the chromatin. When a cell is not dividing, the chromatin under an electron microscope appears to be in the form of a very long and extremely thin darkly stained fiber. However, as a cell prepares to divide, the chromatin fibers coil and condense further, eventually becoming thick enough to be distinguished as separate chromosomes. These chromosomes then rapidly pick up certain dyes and get colored, hence the name chromosomes. Chromosomes are highly coiled and condense chromatin fibers. Now moving on to discovery of chromosomes. Chromosomes in animal were first studied in 1882 by a German scientist, Walther Flemming. He noticed these in the rapidly dividing cells of the larva or salamander and amphibian. The microscope he used was of old type and through it he saw minute threads that appeared to be dividing lengthwise. Fleming called their division mitosis, literally meaning thread. We'll meet in the next class. Until then, bye and keep studying.